Hello, this video is about the Deribit Trading System, which is basically a C++ application made for interaction with the Deribit API for trading purposes. Its main features are authentication, order management, place, modify, and cancel orders, and we can also view our current positions and we can access the order book. So what we have used in this project is basically C++. The whole project is designed on C++, and we have used curl for the API requests, and we have used this open source library for JSON handling. This is the library, modern C++ JSON, and we have used the Deribit API. Okay, so let's get on to the credentials part. So this is our credential file. First of all, in this we have written all the global variables which are important for the working of our project. These are the API keys, these two, and these two can be obtained from the API portal on the Deribit platform. Now this is a demonstration account, so that's why this is public, otherwise the API key should be hidden here. And we have also defined the access token, which we are going to initialize it later. Okay. So this is the header file json.hpp. This is basically directly we have included this library into our project, and we have installed curl on our system. Okay, so this is the main.cpp file. We have included the main.header file, which we'll move on to later. Okay. So what I have designed is a menu driven program. It obviously greets the person and gives the whole options. Now the good thing about this is like user gets to do everything very easily directly from the console just by putting the options. And in each case, I have first checked that if the user isn't authorized, then it authorizes and gets the access token. We'll see that in the header file. And this is basically like this is the placing an order function. We are inputting the instrument name, amount, price, buy and sell order, and we are placing it by calling the place order function. We'll see that in the header file. Case 2 is canceling an order. We are just inputting the order ID and we are just calling our cancel order function. And then this is the modify order ID, new amount, new price. Okay, okay. And by this we can get the order book for a particular instrument. And this is our current positions function, and this is like exiting, and this is the default case. Okay, so this is basically the layout. Let's move on to the main file, header file. So it includes okay standard library, JSON HPP header file. This is the curl library which we have installed in our system, and credentials. We are defining the namespaces for all the things, and yeah, namespace for JSON. We are accessing the global variable access token here, and this is the callback function, the standard callback function for the curl library, and this is the authorization function. We are creating a curl object and then we are just passing our URL and the post fields into the request, and then we are getting a response JSON object, and then we are just parsing the JSON and then getting the access token from it. We are printing the access token and we are also initializing the access token variable, that is the global variable in the credentials.cpp file. Okay, then we are then this is the place order function. It's basically the same thing. We are initializing a curl object and then we are sending an API request to Deribit API, and then we are getting a response JSON and then we are passing it and we are returning it. Same goes for modify order. Same goes for current position and same goes for cancel order and get order book. So this is our whole project. Uh, Thank you.